Hi viewers, in this video I will tell you how to disconnect internet connection without unplug internet cable. How to do this? Let's start. And see here internet connection is live now. Click on Windows icon here and search in search box control panel. You can do this in Windows 10 and Windows 11 also. Now click on control panel. Control panel interface will open. Now sort the view by large icon. But your view should be category-wise sort. Click on category and the option view network status and task, that is here. Click on it and click on change adapter setting. Now you can see your internet connection. Now find here Ethernet and right click on Ethernet and click on disable option. Now you are able to disable your internet connection without unplug your Ethernet cable. Now you can see your internet is disconnected. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you in next video. Goodbye.